just anyone can pick this thing up, unfortunately. But the gravity score isn't that high anyway, so you don't have to worry. There's plenty of other products out there. So moving on, we have T-Burn, and this is new. I think I remember reading this somewhere. But yeah, we have T-Burn, and the gravity score for this is 336.79, and our initial dollar per conversion is $124.41 with the reoccurring dollar per rebill, which is 0.90 dollars. It's only available in English, and the average dollar per conversion is $124.45. Our features include upsell flow, physical product, one-time reoccurring affiliate tools. Next up, we have GlucoTrust, which is interesting name. Scoop up an AOV of $150 and a $5 EPC with this new killer blood sugar supplement that affiliates are raving about. Hollywood style VSL with a powerful weight loss angle works on all types of health traffic. Okay, so then they have the link there, and then for the affiliates, so that's fantastic. And I think that's great. Up next, we're gonna see that our features are upsell flow, multiple hop links, physical product, mobile friendly, one-time affiliate tools. It's only available in English. Our gravity score is a whopping 226.77, and our average dollar conversion is $143.33. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scroll down here a bit. Next up is Java Bun. So just as we had T-Burn, we also have Java Bun, and this is just obviously coffee that helps you lose weight. So it's only available in English. Our stats are our gravity score sitting at 285.27, and initial dollar per conversion is $119.53 with reoccurring dollar rebill at $2.10. So it says you're going strong, killer money on the line. Go here for more details, and that's just javaburn.com/affiliates. Our features are inclusive of upsell flow, affiliate tools, physical product, mobile friendly, one-time reoccurring. Average dollar per conversion is $119.66. And I'm going to head on over to the next product, and that is going to be Flux Active unique 14-in-1 mega prostate offer. So this basically says that 1 in 2 men suffer from prostate problems. Imagine the profits. Are ready to pull up to 6 figures a day already? Contact us at david@mediapulseltd.com for swipes plus commission bumps. Available in English. Gravity score sitting at 187.59, and our average dollar per conversion is 138.28, or rather $135.28, and our features include upsell flow, physical product,